Hi, it's me, Alex. So I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make really cool painted rocks. So all I need is a small rock, a balloon, and cut the top off of it, a paper plate, and obviously some paint. So what you got to do is stuff the rock into the balloon. So we got the rock and the balloon. Then you grab some paint. Blue, white, and red. Red, white, and blue. Then make sure your paint's working. Then spray and squirt the paint in to the balloon. So there we go. I'm done with the wet paint. Onto the blue paint. Remember, try to unclog all your things all the paint before you do this, because you don't want it like I had it. Alright. So then you got your paint in the balloon. So now squish the rock around. And then once you're done, take the rock out. And voila, you got a beautifully painted rock. Well, that's all for now. If you liked the video, please subscribe.